Hello, my name is Nick Roth. I'm a saxophonist, composer, producer and educator, and I'm delighted to have been invited to give this workshop as part of The Exhale, an online retreat for musicians. The course that I'll be presenting is called Music as Translative Epistemology. What does this mean? Very good question. Well, epistemology is the study of knowledge, so music as translative epistemology is asking how we can know something through music. In asking this question, we'll explore a wide variety of different areas, including water and fluid dynamics, bird flocking patterns and mathematical biology, forest canopy ecology and the evolutionary genetics of the orchid, space at both an astrophysical and quantum order of scale, and music and literature, including works by James Joyce, T.S. Eliot, Roland Barthes, and many others. This is an area that I've actively been involved in for more than a decade now, and I've come to realize that we interface with music in three different ways: as a listener, as performer, and as composer. And it's through the integration of these three that we can really gain embodied knowledge. So I do invite you to join me on this journey and bring your curiosity, because curiosity is a curvature in the gravitational field of the unknowable. In the final part, we'll be creating our own works in response to this as a way of knowing what we have learned, and I think that this course will be of benefit to performers, composers, anybody interested in studying art-science collaborations, or just generally curious about new things. So I do invite you to join me. See you there.